Today we will learn the letter N and I.
Hello again, it's me, Dr. B. Thank you for joining me. Our topic for the day is the letter I and the letter N. We'll talk about recognizing these two letters, we'll practice their sounds, and we'll identify items that begin with either the N sound or the I sound. So are you ready?
Yes!
Great. So let's begin. As I told you before, I'm having an alphabet party, and it's so important that I have items that begin with each letter of the alphabets. So today what we'll focus on is just the letter I and the letter N. So let's begin. Let's look at the way the letters are written. Here's the letter I. The first one is a capital I, and next to it is the lowercase I. They look different, but they make the same sound. The sound that it makes is I. Can you hear that?
Yes!
Let's try it. I. Let's say it one more time. I. Good job. The next letter we have is the letter N. The larger N is called a capital N, or we call it the uppercase N. Next to it is the lowercase n. They also look different, but they make the same sound. The sound that N makes is mm. Did you hear that? Let's say it together. Mm. Let's say it again. Mm. Great job. Now that we've had a chance to recognize the way those letters are written, and we had a chance to practice their sounds, let's now talk about items that begin with either the N sound or the I sound. So are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, let's start. Now I'm going to show some pictures on the screen, and I want you to be able to say the name of that item and listen for the sound that you hear. Is it an N sound or will it be an I sound? The first picture is a picture of a necklace.
Yes!
When you say necklace, listen for the N sound or the I sound in necklace. What sound do you hear?
For necklace.
Yes!
If you said necklace starts with the N sound, you're correct. We will place that picture in this bag. Now let's go to the next picture. Here's a picture of an igloo.
Wow!
Say igloo and listen for its beginning sound. Do you hear N at the beginning of igloo, or do you hear I at the beginning of igloo?
For igloo.
Yes!
If you said you hear I at the beginning of igloo, you are correct. Great job. So we'll place that picture in this bag. The next item that I have is a picture of scissors.
Yes!
When you say scissors at the beginning of scissors, what do you hear? Do you hear the N sound or do you hear the I sound?
For scissors.
Oh no!
If you said you don't hear either sound, you are definitely correct. We can't hear an N sound or an I sound. So guess what? We're not going to use that picture. Great job. Next, and the final one, is a picture of a needle.
Yes!
Needle. When you say needle, what do you hear at the beginning of needle? Do you hear the N sound or do you hear the I sound?
For needle.
Yes!
If you said you hear the N sound, you are correct. So we will place that picture in the N bag. Great job. I believe we've completed all the items that we need to go in our N bag and the I bag. So I can use these 2 bags and get them ready for my alphabet party. Thank you for your help, and I look forward to seeing you next time.